Well, today is Friday, April 6th, and it has been exactly 4 weeks since we called out our boat to Seaview Boatyard in Seattle. We are still working on it, and so we are going to head down there today and just kind of check on it. They've painted the bottom, which we heard looks great, and then we had the mechanic work on it already. And now we're just waiting for the new props, and also they're going to do the trim tabs and the zincs. So stay tuned. We'll take you down there. We'll see how it looks. So we are now in the boatyard, and we're looking for Kokomo. Should be in here somewhere. Boy, they're busy. That's for sure. This looks like it could be it, maybe? Yep. Cool. All right. This is what it looks like. Trim tabs are done. The engines are painted, waiting for props, waiting for zincs. Got the zincs on. Looking party, but we still need to go talk to him about this gel coat spot. So Scott is going to go inside and test the trim tabs and see if the engines lift up.
Yeah, it goes down. Just now try doing the trim tab. The trim tabs aren't doing anything.